What's up, everyone? Today I'm gonna play Bed Wars. Yeah, here we go. I'm gonna try and speedrun the game, so let's get right to it. Okay, it's taking so long. Yeah, I'm gonna speedrun this game. I'm gonna speedrun this. Watch and learn, guys. Watch and learn. Watch and learn. Here we go. We go. Okay, speed bridge, speed bridge, speed bridge. Yeah, jump and get this. Oh, let's wait for bro. Let's wait for bro. Hey. Okay. Oops, prank. Okay, wait ako. Go. We'll speedrun this game. We definitely gonna win this. Let's watch. Oh. Here we go. Ah! Okay. Put the block and go. And I'm gonna hit bro off. You're dead, boy. You're dead. I'm gonna press. Let me put the ball. Okay. You're dead. I'm gonna betray you. Nice. Now let me take the bed. Where's bro at? Okay, I'm gonna kill bro. Bro. My bed. Okay. Run. Bro. Ah, hell no, man. At least you're dead. I'm gonna get some blocks. I'm gonna go and speedrun to someone else's base. I'm gonna try and speedrun to. Here we go. Oh, okay, go. Speedrun. Hey. Bro. Okay. Oh, nah, bro. Okay. I think I'm dead. Run. Fuck. Bro. Another game. I'm gonna win this one. I promise. This time I'll win. I'm just gonna be secure, so I'm not gonna say any words. So just watch the video. Alright. Oh no. Okay. Bro. Wow. Bro, so sweat. Bro. Nah. I think I'm gonna be dead. I'm dead. Bro, sweat. Bro, so sweat. Alright. I'm just kidding. This game is a loss. I'm gonna lose this game, bro. Just because of a sweat, I'm gonna lose. Oh. Okay. Eto na. Look. Bro, a sweat. Okay, my bed's gone. Bye. My bed's gone. My bed is gone. Bro, I'm not gonna even kill for this. I'm just gonna jump off a bridge. Bye. Hell nah. Okay? I'm gonna be truth this time. This time, I will win. Trust me. I'm gonna win this game. I'm not even gonna say a word this time. I'll just become focused and you just watch the video of how I speedrun this game. Thank you very much. Now I can make that. I definitely can't make that. Bro, okay. Can I make this? Wait, go. Oh no, I can't make it. Bro, I can't make that. Just try and speedrun it again. Okay. Here we go. I'm lagging. Is my enemy AFK? Bro, what is bro doing? Don't AFK in the game, bro. You're gonna die. Watch and learn how you will die, bro. You'll die. Oh, I can jump? What the hell? Bad defense and then wool. Yeah. Nice. I'm gonna defense this because I might lose again. I might lose 3 times today, bro. Oh. Nice. Now I'm gonna speedrun green. Bro was AFK for a long time. Bro, what are you gonna do? Okay, I'm just gonna push her off because it's to the bed. And bro, I won one time. I'm definitely gonna win this because I just speedrun green with nothing to do. Okay. I think I might have a chance on winning this. Okay, let's see. 17. We need 28. I'm just gonna get diamonds. Nice. Oh. Diamonds. Here we go. Run. Pickaxe. Here we go. Let's wait for the armor. We need 28. 26. No. 27. And 28. Let's go. Armor ready. Armor. Gold. Nice. I have so many blocks. Oh, I'll have speedrun to orange. Here we go. Nice. Okay. I'm bridging through orange. I think orange is AFK, bro. Was there for a long time. Take your bed, loser. Nice. You're dead. You're dead. Yes, you're stuck. Easy. First time. Like first try. Wait, I'll make a bridge. I need more wool. Wool. I have so many wool, lol. Okay, let's go. I'll bridge to there. Yeah, let's go. Watch me speed break. Hey, what? Did you guys just see that? Did you see that? Bro, I just jumped to the void when I'm bridging. Huh? Okay. I'm just lagging. This is the truth this time. This time is the truth. Watch and learn. I'll go to pink, bro. They won't even notice me. Oh, I can't jump there. Okay. Let's buy more blocks and pickaxe. Okay. Nice. I have so many blocks. I can use this. Okay, bro. Wow, bro. Okay, bridging to pink. Please don't lag. I might die again because of my lag. Nice. Oh, pre-bed. Nice. Bro was not here. Pre-bed. Easy bread. Wait, let me crop a sword. There we go. And some wool. Oh my god, my bed. Oh, yes, the wool. Apple and wool. Nice. Now we're gonna bridge to the middle because we're gonna need some items. We're gonna need some good items right now. Wait, did I just see that Bro was in diamond armor? Oh my god. And bro, he got a bow. Okay, I'm gonna block this. Eh. Okay. Speed bridge and then what? Bro. I'm not gonna bridge. Bro gonna hit me. Oh, what the? Okay, I'm gonna build more. Nice. You can hit me now, boy. You can hit me now. Okay, he's gone. And let's just gonna bridge. Easy. We're gonna need some armor and sword. Nice. We're gonna bridge to my base. Oh, we're gonna bridge. Oh, I'm just gonna speed bridge this. I might die. Bro's at my base. I'm just gonna go to green. Yeah. I might wanna buy the fish because bro was in full diamond. I cannot do that, bro. Bro's in full diamond. I'm just gonna hit bro in a cliff. You won't even notice me. They're fighting. Now it's a good chance. Okay. Bro's dead. Please don't look in them. Bros, don't look at me. Go. Nice. My plan worked. Now you're dead, boy. You're dead. Don't run on me, bro. Nah. Bro's just running. I can do this, bro, running all the way. I'm not gonna make this, bro. And bro, I have a bow. Nice. Absolutely nice. I'm just gonna go on my base again. I'm gonna get some emeralds and do that. What? Huh? How did I win? Well, that's a free win, I guess. Easy, finally. A game without a sweat. We're winning. Hey, we win this game. Thank you for watching. Bye.